चालीसा बात है
करेंगे इसमें।
Hello guys, this is my first night duty in casualty as an intern doctor. I am quite nervous and excited at the same time. So let's go to the hospital with me today. You guys will be my co-intern tonight. So let's go. भाई जितनी शांति इस रात में है और इस रास्ते में है, क्या इतनी शांति हॉस्पिटल के अंदर भी होगी? First thing I did after reaching the hospital was punch in. The moment I entered the hospital, the mood completely changed. Almost immediately, a serious case arrived. It was a 75-year-old uncle. MI का केस था. We tried everything possible to save him, CPR, medication, continuous effort, but this was the reality of casualty. You don't even get time to process your emotions because the next patient is already waiting. A little while later, a burn case arrived. A small child who got injured while bursting crackers. His skin was red, swollen, and blistered, a clear case of second-degree burn. The burn was so severe that it had affected his hair, eyelashes, and eyebrows as well. We immediately started his initial management. He was given IV fluid to maintain hydration and circulation. Silver based ointment was applied to prevent infection, along with analgesics to help relieve his pain. It wasn't just another patient, it was a reminder of why awareness and safety matters so much. Finally, we got a small tea break. It felt like heaven.
चाय नाइट शिफ्ट में है, हम चाय पी रहे हैं. देखो क्योंकि नींद आ रही है ना,
बहुत ज़्यादा नींद. ये मेरी सबसे प्यारी सिस्टर है, गायत्री सिस्टर.
थैंक यू क्योंकि डायबिटिक वाले हैं यहाँ.
We sat together, had tea, laughed a little, shared stories, and for a few minutes, the heaviness of the night felt lighter. That was honestly the best moment of entire night duty. After that, I went to take some rest in hospital deluxe room. This room is usually for female interns during emergency night duties. But wait, let me tell you, the atmosphere was seriously horrifying. Dim light, complete silence, patient और attenders सब सो रहे हैं, and that strange smell that never leaves. This was the room where I had to spend my night, or should I say, just 2 to 3 hours of rest. So this is the deluxe room of our hospital. यहाँ हम सोएंगे, है ना. रात के 3:30 बज रहे हैं और सर से मैंने ये परमिशन ली है कि सर मुझे थोड़ा रेस्ट करना है. यहाँ पर मुझे डर लग रहा है. तुम्हें लगता होगा ना, डॉक्टर्स आर वेरी एंड ऑल्सो बिलीव एंड ट्रस्ट इन गॉड, बट हमें भी लगता है कि हाँ कुछ नेगेटिव एनर्जीज होती हैं. सो इस बारे में तो अभी हम बात नहीं करेंगे. अगर मैं इस बारे में बात करूँ तो मैं ही डर जाऊँगी यहाँ. सो वो हमारी टॉपिक नहीं है. हेलो गाइस, माय नेम इज़ इशिका एंड ये मेरी पहली नाइट ड्यूटी है. मैं यहाँ डिलक्स रूम में हूँ हॉस्पिटल के. यार मैं तो डर ही गई थी. दीदी आई थी चाबी के लिए. मैं डर गई, रात को कौन खटखटा रहा है. दीदी आ रही है हमारे साथ सोने क्योंकि मुझे डर लग रहा है. ठीक है ना, ऐसे 2-3 घंटे ही तो सोना है दीदी. 4 तो बज ही गया. आप लोग कहाँ सो रहे थे? नीचे. बाकी आप लोग को भी डर लगता होगा ना? मेरे को लगता है, मेरे को बहुत डर लगता है. मैं बता रही भगवान.
दीदी मेरे पूरी थके थे, सोचा अंदर में करके बहुत डर लग रहा था.
हाँ नहीं यार, कौन
सोचा है
दबाओ. Hello, good morning guys. It's around 6:30 a.m. and I am heading back to casualty. Thankfully the morning was relatively calm. No major cases came in and slowly the night duty started coming to end. 8 a.m. my duty officially ended. My body was tired, but mind was still processing everything I had seen. The night had been long, heavy, and emotionally exhausting. Even though I was exhausted, I felt grateful. Grateful for the lesson, the experience, and for being able to learn something that no classroom could ever teach. That night in casualty will stay with me for a long time, not just as a duty, but as a reminder of why I choose this profession and why every sleepless night still matters. After such an intense night, the morning felt beautiful, like a quiet reward for surviving the chaos. I realize how different hospital morning are after night duty.
तो फाइनली मैं अपने हॉस्टल रूम आ चुकी हूँ.
If you want to see more real hospital life, intern struggles, and honest doctor vlog, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. That's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.